Victory can be intoxicating, leaving an aftertaste that lingers long after the applause dies down. Imagine that triumphant moment when you achieve your goal. The thrill akin to savoring the last bite of delicious pizza. The essence of Law 47 is to understand that while success feels gratifying, it holds the potential to blindside even the most seasoned players. It's vital to recognize the subtle signs that hint it's time to bow out gracefully, instead of risking it all in a bidding war with destiny. Don't let triumph puff you up like a balloon. Instead, keep your feet firmly planted on the ground. Reflecting on historical figures, it becomes evident that managing victory is an art form. Take King Cyrus, whose ambitious campaigns led him to overreach with disastrous consequences. He became so entranced with his victories that he miscalculated his next move, facing a formidable foe he underestimated. The beauty of history lies in the lessons it teaches. It warns us to keep our egos in check. Pride can be a double-edged sword, transforming potential winners into stories of caution. Think of success as a well-timed punch. Deliver it with finesse and know when to step back before it turns into recklessness. On the contrary, we have brilliant examples of those who grasp the concept of moderation. Madame de Pompadour, for instance, thrived in her role, understanding the power of influence rather than mere visibility. She navigated shifting tides gracefully, moving from the limelight to backstage, wielding her charm to shape political and social spheres with a deft hand. Her journey signifies the importance of adaptability. Success may be fleeting, but creating an enduring legacy stems from a blend of wisdom and timing. Knowing when to exit the stage can safeguard your achievements and ensure you don't fade into obscurity. Conversely, there are cautionary tales like that of Labienus, who warned Caesar against his reckless pursuits. Yet ambition clouded judgment, resulting in turmoil. The lesson here echoes Machiavelli's principles. Excessive force only breeds animosity. Victory demands caution, indicating that sometimes a measured approach prevails over an all-or-nothing mentality. The essence of Law 47 teaches that greatness isn't just about reaching the pinnacle, but gracefully recognizing when to pause, allowing your achievements to resonate without overstaying your welcome. In the grand arena of life, mastering this balance is the true hallmark of enduring success.
Sublimate to create, turn passion into art. Channel your energy into something bold and beautiful with merch that inspires creativity. Perfect for those who know the best ideas come from within. Shop now at pissroth.com and wear your artistic spirit proudly.
Like and subscribe for more exciting videos.